All right, here's the tools and products I use to install the vinyl corner bead. I use a Stanley Fat Max 10 snips to cut it, where I put the 45 on the edges. Power Shot staple gun, 1/2-inch staples. I used a 12-inch taping knife, stainless steel. I scraped it with a 6-inch stainless steel taping knife, 14-inch mud pan, vinyl corner bead, come in 8-foot sticks. I used a Trimtex 847 spray adhesive before I put the vinyl corner bead on. Or if you can't get a hold of that and don't want to wait for it to show up from Amazon or something, you can get the Super 77 by 3M at most of the major box stores. I used an all-purpose joint compound by USG, comes with a dark green lid. Subscribe for more skim coating and drywall tips. Thanks for watching.